Trying to build an inspiring PowerPoint presentation, need some help from your team? Well, that's what PowerPoint collaboration is about. When you learn how to collaborate with PowerPoint, you can work together with others to build amazing slide decks. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to quickly collaborate and team edit on PowerPoint presentations. Before you start collaborating, you need a presentation template. The best place to find these is Envato Elements. Elements is an all-you-can-download creative powerhouse with thousands of PowerPoint templates available. And that's not all. For a flat monthly rate, you also have access to stock photos, music, fonts, and more. All of these assets are great complements to your PowerPoint slides. For this tutorial, we'll be using the beautiful Nexon PowerPoint template. This one has over 150 slides in total, each one with a stylish modern look. I have the template downloaded and open in PowerPoint here. Before we get started, you may be wondering, why collaborate? That's because teamwork leads to better results. Your slides can benefit from others' input. Plus, you can save time. You don't have to do all the work yourself. PowerPoint has multiple great platforms that work well for sharing. You have the desktop PowerPoint app like the one you see here. There's also PowerPoint Online, a part of the larger Office Online suite. PowerPoint Online is more basic and less fully featured, but it still has key advantages. For example, users can make quick edits online without any need to download the full app. Last comes OneDrive, Microsoft's online cloud storage platform. This is really the key to real-time collaboration in PowerPoint. Gone are the days when you had to email files back and forth constantly. Now, real-time sharing and editing is possible. Let me show you how it works. The first step here is to save your finished file in OneDrive. Remember, a file stored on your computer won't be accessible to others in real time. To do this, go up here to the File drop-down in the upper left corner of your PowerPoint screen. Click on it, then pick Save As off the list of options. The Save As menu is going to appear. Now, you're going to want to click Online Locations over here on the left. From the Place drop-down, choose OneDrive. In many cases, that's already your default option. I'll give the file a name by typing in this box as you're seeing me do here. Then I'll click Save. PowerPoint will upload the file to your OneDrive folder. Now it's time to invite others to collaborate on your slides. See this Share button near the upper right side of the screen? This is your control center for team edits in PowerPoint. Clicking on Share, you'll see a few options listed. The best choice here is the Invite People link. Clicking on it, you'll see that you can enter an email address. Type one in, and then you can add this optional comment text below if you want. It's a good idea to leave a brief note, but not required either. Last up, this Can Edit checkbox here controls user permissions. If you want the person you share your file with to be able to edit and save it, leave the box checked. If you need them to have read-only access, uncheck the box. When you're finished, click Share. Now, the user you share the file with can collaborate. They'll receive an email with a link inside. This link will take them to the PowerPoint Online version, which you can see here. Collaborators can access Office Online without installing the desktop app. Plus, the limited version is available free, making it widely useful. Again, using PowerPoint's browser-based tools in Office Online results in a limited feature set. It's great for minor edits and reading, but more advanced design work needs to happen in the desktop app. Fortunately, users you share with do have this choice. Click on this editing drop-down to see what I mean. By default, users will be editing in the online view, meaning inside the browser like you're seeing here. But if they have the desktop app installed, the shared presentation can launch with it. To do that, you can click Open in Desktop app. This will launch PowerPoint's fully featured desktop version. Once this choice is made, it's time to get to work. All changes made will appear in real time. By using PowerPoint's autosave option, the files save each time a change is made. Changes made on the slide will appear visible immediately to all other users. Jumping back to PowerPoint's desktop app here, you'll see what I mean. This is a great way to work together in PowerPoint. In real time, you can build slides with your team from across the globe. Need to verify who can collaborate with you? Jump back to the Share drop-down menu again. You'll see a list of contributors here along with their permissions. It's a quick and easy audit that you can perform to ensure all the right people have all the right access. You might be wondering about the photo and fonts used on this slide, and you're not alone. It's time to revisit the powerful Envato Elements offer, the source for both of these. Along with the template itself, Elements includes thousands of custom fonts, along with millions of stock photos. These work great in your shared PowerPoint presentations. As you can see, it's easy to work together in PowerPoint. By using OneDrive cloud storage and the built-in share features, you can work with a global team to build stunning slides in real time. With PowerPoint Online, other users won't have to spend time or money downloading apps. They can work right inside their web browsers. And remember, the perfect way to start is with a premium Envato Elements template. These are designed by creative experts with you in mind. Check out the vast library and join today. Before you go, be sure to like this video. And after you do, subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. It's full of helpful content roundups, tutorials, and so much more. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks again for joining me.